Good evening guys. Halika, samahan mo akong buksan yung bagong nabili nating helmet. Ito nga pala yung helmet from LS2 Pioneer version 2. Naka-dual sports helmet na pala ito kaya bagay pang motocross at daily rides. With adjustable and removable peak na pala ito. A wide anti-scratch visor at perfect sa foggy environment. At ito pa, naka-wide vision na pala yung pin-lock visor nito at with drop-down sun visor pa. For comfort side, ready for LS2 intercom, removable at washable yung loob niya, breathable kasi malaki pa yung space sa loob niya, at syempre hypoallergenic na rin yung gamit na tela niya, hindi naghimulmol, at syempre hindi makati sa balat. At syempre hindi na rin ito mainit sa loob kasi may multiple exhaust ports and air intakes na ito. Plus, channeled EPS to absorb and dissipate energy upon impact. At ang kagandahan nito guys with emergency release system na ito and ECE 22-06 certified for top level safety. At baka magustuhan nyo. Ilagay ko na lang sa baba yung link, okay? Bye-bye!